gratitude for being here with you today. Thank you for joining us today. I will try my best to actually like share a little bit of my experience, and I would like to ask you all just to use the chat, tell us where you're from, what you're doing, what you're trying to achieve, and just engage. And we'll try as well to answer as many as question as we can through this presentation or class. And I will share my contact so you can as well ask me if you would like. Um, I have slides prepared, so I will just rather just like go direct to the slides and then we can take it from there. Okay. So yeah, so I've just confirmed everyone just sees my screen. Okay, I will start with a little bit of introduction. Thank you, Sal, for the introduction, but I will as well like try to add some points. So yeah, my background is computer science, and I worked after that in the Arab Bank in the IT department for around like 7 years. Then I tried my first startup, studied in Jordan to help like people and students come to study in Jordan. It wasn't that successful, but I've learned a lot from that. I came to the UK and I studied entrepreneurship as a master's degree. Then I went back to Jordan. I started to work at Aramix in the Innovation Center as an innovation specialist there. Then I moved back to the UK and started to work in marketing and business development. And hopefully soon I will be actually joining the American University of Iraq, Soleimani. So I will be holding position of accelerator manager. So I like it. If you see like this is like my timeline. Usually like things, yeah, it's boring and it's like this is how things usually like go or progress. But this is actually how my life been, like all of these like ups and downs until I actually arrived here or to be actually arrived to Iraq soon, inshallah. Here is my contact detail, Twitter. If you would like, if you use Twitter, you can follow me here and contact me there, or as well LinkedIn. Please add me on LinkedIn. I answer all my LinkedIn messages if you wanted anything. So why we're having this? Because last time I did a webinar about email marketing, and people were asking, okay, how we actually build our list of emails and how we can attract, like get these like emails from other people or from our customers. So I said, okay, let's actually go back one step and try to talk about something else where we can get people there. But just a small revision. So we talked about email marketing and we identified three types of emails. One is the newsletter, which you send like an email like weekly or monthly to your subscribers, just telling them news about your business or about what's happening around. Transactional, whereas if you're actually doing an e-commerce, then these emails you use to confirm transactions happen in your website for your customers. Promotional emails, these are the most important ones which you actually use to promote new products or like push an offer for your for customers, especially these times where there is like people, there is less interaction with if you have like a storefront or if you used to talk like to your customers outside. Now there is no way of communication unless emails and social media, and because now social media is overcrowded and it's so expensive to communicate with your customers at the moment with these algorithms and so many businesses trying to put ads. So your asset is your email list. So you definitely need to use your emails to communicate with your customers, especially at these times. If you would like, if they would like to know if you're open or not, if you're doing delivery or not, all kind of information you can exchange with your customers through email. Okay, so we're moving to landing pages. So landing pages came actually probably from this. If you look at this, you see that the landing for the airplane. I'm not sure how many of you clap when there is like when the plane actually lands, but if you do, please don't. It's not cool. We want your customers to clap once they land in your page, in your website page. So if you want to learn something, just learn this from now. Landing pages. Okay, so the main goal of landing pages is to create or generate leads, to capture these leads for your business. So imagine this, you have actually a store in the street, you have like you selling clothes and someone actually just was walking in front of your store and saw this like panels, it saw this vitrina of your store and saw something really nice. Then they will just like do like what they call like window shopping. They just like browse outside. If your vitrina was really, really good, they will actually enter and goes inside the door. So this is what you'd like to do with your like landing page. So you want people, once they arrive to your landing page, see something really interested and just customized for them so they can give you their information, which here we ask for their email. Once they press this button here, which is called like, please take my money, which is usually it's called subscribe or submit. So landing page has to be very like designed and customized for everyone or for every offer, I would say, or everyone goes to these landing pages has to feel special and you actually just talking to them. I will share some facts about landing pages now, and then I'm going to show you some examples. And this is a master class, so that's why actually I will make one or create a landing page with you now today. So if there's a question during like my presentation and saw something important, just let me know and I can answer it.
Definitely.
Yes. Um, So some facts about landing page. So companies see actually 55% increase in leads when they increase the number of landing pages from 10 to 15. If you are actually still wondering what are these the landing pages, I'm on purpose waiting to show you these landing pages after, not from the start. Just I want you to observe this information before to be distracted by examples. So imagine you have a website and you have like a home and you have products and you have as well about us. So these are pages on your website. Usually people like go when they search for your website, they go to these pages once they land on your home page. What we talk about here, landing pages, are different pages like made just for specific offers that you use these to push on Instagram or in email marketing. The purpose of these pages could be just generate leads or actually selling a product. I will show you once we start actually creating one. So companies with 30 or more landing pages generate 7 times more leads than those with fewer than 10. So you always have to have, this is from customization. So if you have 30 landing pages, so you actually segment and target 30 types of customers. These are customers, they feel so special because they have something customized for them. These landing pages should probably will not last forever just based on offer, but creating them is so easy. It's not that hard, but it has to be specific. Okay, using video on landing pages can improve conversion by 86%. So about conversion, so each one comes to your website. Let's say each 1,000 people visit your website, probably just 28 of them will become actually customers. So you need something to increase this conversion rate to make people more like visitors for your website or your landing page customers, or just like to give you their information. So using video is really important to your business. If you are not today using video, you have to consider using video immediately. As a marketer, my biggest challenge as a marketer is actually to generate this traffic, to bring this traffic to my website and to create these leads, to get people business cards. So if you look at the leads or information or email that I'm trying to get it from people, it's actually like an old school business card. I meet with someone, can you just like give me your business card so I can talk to you later? So on the digital, you need their email. So So that's why we create these landing pages, try to drive traffic just to get people's emails or business cards. When you create a landing page, if you put multiple offers on the landing page, this decreases actually the conversion rate by 266%. So usually that's why I'm saying like your landing page should be always optimized and focused on one thing. You need one goal to achieve from this landing page, either to get someone's email or to get someone's to buy a product from you, just one product, or to push an offer. So just one thing. Don't like try to put everything in one landing page. 48% of marketers build a new landing page for each marketing campaign. So let's say we have coming up the Eid al-Adha now, and a new business would like to launch a campaign for like a special discount or a special type of gifts like they have. So 48% of the marketers, if they actually work, they will create a new landing page for this specific campaign. So if I'm trying or I'm like to find something for Eid al-Adha, I will definitely buy from this page. I would like to land on that page. So I clap, oh, I found exactly what I want, and just like buy it and that's it. So think if you have Ramadan, Eid, Christmas, other holidays, do you need to create a landing page for each one if you have an offer and a campaign for each of one of these holidays? So only half of landing pages are optimized for mobile device, which is sad. You have to understand like your customers. If your customers open just browse on website or they use mobile. So if you use mobile, you need to check your landing page that is actually optimized and work perfectly on mobile. As I said before, the average landing page conversion rate across all industries is 2.35. So you need to make sure that you drive like thousands of people coming to and visiting your landing page. So you can then calculate how many people actually I converted that bought from me. If your conversion rate was lower than 2.35, then create a new landing page and change something inside, because then this is what they call A/B testing. When you create one landing page and test, and then you create another one and test, they're both for the same offer, and then see which one is actually performing well, which actually converting people and make them become customers, and then keep push that more and more. Last page of the facts. Long landing pages can actually generate 220 more leads than above the field call to action landing page. So here's the, so what they mean here by this here. If you ever were like scrolling like on Instagram and I saw like an offer and just like you clicked like link in the bio and then went to the link and just like went to one page and you kept scrolling forever. They tell you about like the product, they tell you the testimonials from previous customers, and they tell you about the shopping and everything. And then at the end, once you just like finish scrolling, then you find the call to action. So these long landing pages are really good and they convert people and engage with people. And instead of just like building one small like landing page, which actually I will show you, I will try to create one small because we don't have now content or time to create like a long one, but I'll show you the concept. Yeah. A 1 second delay in a page landing reduce actually conversion rate by 7%. So you need your page to be really fast. So you don't have to put so many stuff, just like a small image with big font typing, and probably like the video, because we said video are really important, but just try to make sure that your landing page is very, very fast. If you are collecting information, which is really important, and from a landing page, because this is how you build actually your email list on Mailchimp. So Mailchimp has the database of your customers, and then you need fields so you can target. So you need the gender, you need the date of birth, you need the industry where they're from, if you would like to collect their phone number. So the average is like 11 field that you can actually put in one form, which is really good because you can actually collect like a lot of data. But this is not easy. I always recommend having not more than 4 or 5, especially if you're new. And then you can try to target people again to fill this information later, but not from the start. Unless people actually are downloading something from you for free, like an ebook, then yeah, put 11, it's fine. So here is examples about landing pages. So these are actually the short ones. So this is left, or it's like Kareem in the Arab word. So this is one page. It has to apply to become actually driver. So here, look, this is the most important thing of this page is make up to $35 per hour driving your car. So if I'm looking to make money from my car and this number excites me, I will just fill my information directly. There is nothing here on the page selling any other offers or like promoting any other services, just only this service. So this is like the landing page. On the other hand, here is Slack. It tells you Slack is where work happens. So if I'm actually trying to get work done and connect with colleagues, the easiest way just to start is by Slack and just like put my email and I can try it for free. So this is so easy for people just to put their information. This is how they generate leads. If we went back to left, if I started to submit my information here, and then I have as well calculator to actually to calculate how much I can make like money while working with them. So once I become a driver, like put my information and press become a driver, they will have the lead, which is like my record says that this person is interested to become a driver. He's still not a driver, but he's interested. So this record goes to the salespeople, and the salespeople, or the people that left, they would like to recruit drivers. They will just like call this person and then, okay, we saw that you are interested. Can you provide us with more information? And this is how it goes with you if you are actually generating leads, or maybe push an offer if your business was different. This is the one example as well of a landing page. If you are creating content, someone's actually downloading an ebook, then you can have a form with multiple fields, so they can enter their information and then they can download this free ebook. And now you have a lead in your database about someone who's interested in building like common myths of marketing, like busting common myths of marketing automation. So this person, basically someone who's working in marketing, and this type of person is your customer, and you would like to talk to these people, to this person later, but now you attracted them with just one thing, which is a free ebook about this subject that they are interested in. So this is the main goal of a landing page. I'm gonna move now to do something to create actually a landing page, but I'm gonna show you the most famous example of landing page that we use all the time, but probably we don't realize that actually they are actually landing pages. So let's go to here. Okay. This just keeps. Okay. So this Google actually, it's a landing page. So here, this is a landing page of Google just about doing search. So if I'm doing a research or doing search like about something, and I just go to Google, and it's just so clean and just like about, they just like serve one function, which is search. If you look at the competitors, which is Bing is completely different here. So this is the landing page of Bing, which is for me, it's like distracting. If I'm going to search for something, I would probably forget because I saw like something about like cats or like tigers. Then I just like definitely forget what I'm trying to do. But each one has different customers. So this is not wrong or right. It's just about who they're trying to target, each one of them. So now let's try to build something. Um, so this is, I built this as well in my Mailchimp. So this is my business called Nimble. Okay, it's about consultancy. It's helps entrepreneurs to get done with marketing and business model. So when you go to my website, You see like just very simple what we're doing, and we have just only these two services. Okay, marketing strategies and business model innovation. But these are still not, can't like target a specific like customer. You don't feel like special when you go here and just try to find your service. So today I'm gonna create a new service or create a new campaign just special for us today, and try to do it together and test it as well and see. So if I log into Mailchimp, so here is Mailchimp. Why I choose Mailchimp? I'm not affiliated with Mailchimp or anything, but Mailchimp because it's for free. You don't have to put a credit card or anything. It just like gives you, I think, almost everything for free up to 2,000 people in your database. So you can build websites, you can create landing pages, surveys, you can connect with social media here to post on social media, and manage to connect your domains as well. So today I'm gonna create a new landing page to connect it with this website to push one offer. Let's see what we're gonna do. So let's come here, landing page. So today I'm gonna give, let's say, people who attended this webinar or this class, like a free call. Like you can call me, like book with me, like 15 minutes, or let's say, okay, 20 minutes, a free call to ask about your business. And I get like help you with everything you need to ask about marketing or business, even if you don't have an idea yet for business, okay? So I'm gonna call this landing free, like that's gonna call it 5 1 lab special. Okay, so I'm gonna call this landing page. So there are set like of ready-made template of landing pages, and each one like serves a function. So this one, which you saw like my website on the same landing page, I built my website almost the same as this one here. Um, this is lead capture. So this is capture emails, which we're gonna use one of these. This one accepts payment. So if you have a product, if today I'm actually pushing a product, trying to sell a product, I will use this one because it just, you can put the product connected with your card and payment and start selling directly. I'm gonna use the short one, which is this one for lead generation now, because it's easier, so we can do it together. So let's go with this one. So here is the page. It's long. I don't want to edit all of this here. So I'm just like going to actually just remove it. I'm just gonna keep the top so we can use it. Yeah. Yeah, just remove these. Don't know if this I can't remove this one. This is the background. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna give this. So here I'm gonna change. I'm gonna put my logo. So here is the logo. Okay. So this is just separated like space. So here we need the message. Free. Okay, now let's try. You looking for business advice? Okay. So here, book a free 20 minutes call with me today. Just enter your email. Okay, sorry. If you're good at HTML here, it's so easy. You can go just here and change in the HTML, and you can make really nice templates. Okay, gonna save this. Gonna change the photo, maybe to put something else. Yeah. Okay, this is probably a background. Let's don't run this face. Okay. Okay. So here's the most important thing here. So this form or these fields are here in my database in Mailchimp. So because I just want people just to book here, so I just need the name and their email. I don't want more uh, for now. This information in the database I can collect later, but I don't want now to make it really big form for people just to enter. So I'm gonna save it here. I'm gonna save and close as well. So I'm gonna edit the URL here. So it's here's Nimble 51 Labs Special. Okay, and save. Page title 51 Labs Special. Okay. So I'm gonna publish now, and I will ask you to go to that URL and see. So now it should be published. I'm not sure why it just gives me this. Let's go to campaigns. Okay, I'm gonna edit this one quickly. I took the wrong URL. Let's see. So because I'm connecting different domains, okay, so okay, now actually it worked. Okay, so this should work now. Yes. Okay, we didn't move these ones, but you don't have to look at these. Let's design here. Okay. So here's the landing page ready. And this usually connects to your website. So you have it always with different URL here. Does not go as a home page like just with the business name. It has to have, because this is connecting to an offer. If you would like, you can go to this now and try to enter your email and name. If you would like, I can give you 20 minutes call, like later, we can arrange the time, but just you can add them here. I think I can see this in my audience. So I still have 3 people here, like registered in my audience. So as we discussed, so this is here we can subscribe to this. You can optimize this as much as you want. You can edit it in different ways. Maybe I can spend some time if you would like to show different angles of this. So So if you have social media, you can add them here. But because it's a landing page and it's just specific for one thing, you don't want to distract people by putting links that takes them outside the landing page. So just the only link that can take them outside this landing page and go to the home page, which is just the logo here, takes you home back. But it should usually don't have exit links, they call them, unless you want people to move to something else or like to check more information or check probably like different offer, but don't mix these things, just like keep it simple here. If you, yeah, so you can add video as well here if you would like to add. You think we can share like video here from that we would like to edit. So you can connect it from YouTube or Venmo and just place directly on the home page. So let's try to connect, let's go to YouTube and go to this iPhone Labs.
Hello, Bassem, are you
Yes,
there?
yes, I'm here, yeah.
Sorry. I think...
Sorry, because I took the YouTube to a different page. That's why you're not seeing it, maybe.
Yeah, we don't see
Yes,
it.
yeah, that's why. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So here, because I just wanted to get the link. So I got the link from YouTube here. and I put here and save and publish. So this is the last actually webinar I did with 5 Labs. So now you can see it on the page here. So if we refresh the page, oh, it started to play actually. That's why you hear the sound. Okay. So here is the video of the last session. So I could add it here. Okay, so I think for now, we can start the questions. If you have the questions, I saw someone actually raising their hands while I'm sharing, if something I can show while I'm sharing.
Sure, that was Dua. She's actually kind of confused with the
Okay.
explanation.
Okay.
So maybe if you have time, just quickly talk about the purpose of a landing page. And I think for the steps, Dua, we will send you the video again so you can check the steps again.
Uh-huh.
But just quickly, Bassem, like the purpose of having a landing page and why you are doing this. I think
Okay.
she missed that. Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna have like you shall go back here. Okay. So, sorry. So, we talked here probably about, but maybe I was super fast, like about the landing page, like why we need landing page. So they call landing page as a lead capture page. So today you have a website and you have an offer, but this offer, like this offer, let's say you have actually an e-commerce website and have like multiple offers, but you would like to push one offer, one new offer, and you need people to come to visit your page, and you don't just want visitors to your website, you need these people information so you can contact them later. So this is how you build your email list for later, so you can use this email that you generated from the landing page to do these things, which the here, yeah, sorry, to do the promotional email marketing campaign. So in order to be able to do newsletter or transactional email or to do or any type of email marketing, you need to create your own database of emails. How you can collect these emails? You need either you can talk to people and ask them, give me your email, just like how we do it. Like, and if we get like a business card from someone, then take their email and just add their email. But online, if people actually following you on Instagram or following you on Facebook, you don't have their email. You can't talk to these people unless just with posts from Instagram or Facebook. But with the algorithm, every post you post on Instagram or Facebook doesn't probably like maybe 10% maximum will see this from your followers, and then you have to pay for it. That's why we create landing pages, so I can first get the email of my customers, people who are interested in my business, so I can talk to them through emails. So I can make sure that at least there is a delivery, 90% of the emails actually delivered. I can see around maybe 20% of these, like the 90, open their email and 10% clicked on that email to buy the product. So it's a very, very important to have a landing page just to collect emails from people. Once you advance and start to collect more emails from people, then you can use the landing page to sell like a product. So as I said, let's say we have now, if you are having an e-commerce, if you have an e-commerce business now, or let's say a Facebook page to sell something, and now we're coming to Eid. Okay, there is Eid at probably like in a month or so, and you want to push for an offer. So this is not for collecting leads or emails. This is to sell a product for the Eid. Okay, so you create a landing page. Everything on this landing page is just related to that day, to these 3 days or 4 days of Eid, and you're selling one product or giving one discount for on that, and try to push that on social media and to push it on like different channels. or your website, share it with the friends so they can see it, and put it as well like on Facebook links or like Instagram, like in the bio. So people can directly just go to that offer during this period of time. After we finish from this occasion or this campaign, you don't need it anymore because it's not Eid anymore. So that becomes now obsolete. You save it for the following year. You change like different stuff, like some stuff on the page, change the offer, and then use it again. So you can use first the landing page to collect information. So to give email, the one exactly I made now just to collect emails, or you can create it to sell a product. Does this actually answer your question?
Yes, she's saying she got it. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
If anyone else has any question, they can write it down in the chat box.
Mm-hmm. Let's see if yeah, if you have any question about this subject or like other subjects related to email or Mailchimp, if you would like to ask about Mailchimp, please ask as well. It's not about just landing pages. The thing with Mailchimp, it's very big. So it can't be like covered in one session. It has to be several sessions, but it has to be as well like focused. So today I'm talking about landing pages. Tomorrow speak about the database and the audience of the CRM, which is the customer relationship management in Mailchimp. Um, so if you have a question about Mailchimp, I can actually answer now. As I told you, it's free. You don't need to put any details in terms of credit card details. You just can start use it immediately. If you have emails for people to send to,
Feel free to unmute yourself if you would like to ask the question.
mm,
We have a question from Dunya. She
mhm.
is saying, what is the difference between campaign and WordPress? Which one is better?
Yeah. So a campaign in marketing, it's a for a set period of time. So it's a special like activity we do to promote in a specific period. As I said, let's say we're talking about the New Year's. Okay, if we have a New Year offer, this is a campaign we run for the New Year, and we build just one page for it. You can build as well landing page or campaigns on WordPress, because WordPress, it helps you to create websites and pages. Whatever technology you like to use, you can use, but the most important thing is just to understand the concept of the landing page. Why I need this landing page? It's just to take people to one specific place where they can perform one call to action, either to give me their information or to buy a product for that period of time. So I will not be like keeping like giving people like a free calls like from here until like 1 year. No, I'm just like doing it, let's say like for 1 month, and that's it. This landing page, and I will take it down and maybe use it later if I would like to push more. So this is the difference between WordPress. You can build like websites, you can build as well landing pages on it, but the campaign is for a specific period of time and specific offer.
Another question from Alan is, what is the difference between landing page and newsletter?
Yes, yeah, this is really good. So the landing page, it's let's say you come here. Um, okay, so this is the landing page, the one with left. So it's a page on the website. You can it could be actually just a website with one page, and we can call it landing page. So it's you can access it by URL, and you can find it when you search for it on Google and on social media. So you can find this landing page and go to that landing page and perform a call to action. In newsletter, it's an email you receive every month or every week from like business or organization. If today I subscribe to 51 Labs newsletter, then every month I will receive their newsletter about the startups they have, the activities they have. I will receive information about this webinar or the other mastery class. So this is the newsletter is news you share with your subscribers through email. So they can't find it actually outside.
One more question from Dua. Should we have a website to make landing page, or can we link it with social media page?
Mm. You don't really have to have a website with when you create a landing page with Mailchimp. You can actually have, if I can show you here, let me try to share. Um, yeah, here. So let's say I'm gonna create landing page here. I'm gonna call it test, and again, I'm gonna use this template. I'm not going to change anything on this. I'm gonna save. So here on Mailchimp, I can actually choose the URL I would like. So I'm gonna use Mailchimp URL. So it's gonna be HTTPS Mailchimp, and then I will use, let's say, special offer, or what's, let's say, like have different test one, okay, and save. I have already test one. Okay. Let's see what's there. Okay, so now it's this one. I'm gonna publish this page. So this is the URL. So I don't have website for this. So if I click to this, I will go to the page. So you can share this on your social media, but try to be professional here, like what you include here. But people will go and see this on social media when they go to the website. So you don't really have to have website. You can just use Mailchimp here as URL and put your business name here at the end.
Thank you. One more question I think I have is, do you think it's good to have multiple offers on your landing page, or you should like focus on one at a time?
Definitely just one. Definitely one, because the landing page, the purpose of creating one is just to make it customized and special for one segment of your customers. Let's say I'm interested in this color and this t-shirt, and I don't want to be distracted by offer me a shoes at the moment. Just for you, you want me to buy this shirt now, and later you care about other offers, about shoes or anything. Because once I buy this, I will be in your database. You have my email, you know my taste, what the things that I'm looking for. So it's gonna become easy to sell me something else later. For the landing page, try to make it just one effort, and as well study this offer. Don't just give like huge discounts. Try to give like things added on, but not a huge discount. Or try just to push to sell the things that you would like to, like specific for the period now, what's happening at the moment. People, let's say, you can create like one page here now on LinkedIn. If you're actually doing like masks at home, if you're doing and making them, you can sell them on Facebook, but as well, you can just create this landing page and put it out there. People as well can go and buy if they can buy online. But I think in this current situation where paying online, it's not an option at the moment, people does not pay online, you need to use your landing page to collect people's information in terms of their email, their birthday, their everything that you can collect, but not at once, like with time, in order to build this customer relationship. And then you try to target them with the newsletter, with the promotion emails.
Great. Do we have any more questions? I don't think we have any, and we're kind of running out of time. But thank you so much, Bassem, for sharing these informations. I think a lot of us, especially me, really benefited from this. Like I said, this is recorded and we're going to share with everyone, maybe tomorrow, inshallah. And also, I would like to say that we're going to share a survey with you to see what are the other topics regarding email marketing you guys are interested in, maybe on another part of Mailchimp. I would love for all of you to share your opinions and give us your feedback and survey. Thank you so much for being with us, everyone. Thank you so much, Bassem. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Salwa. Thank you, everyone.